This is the first ever hypercar from Porsche. You might be looking at this baby right here, the 918. That's the Carrera GT. What do you mean? They're hypercars. Apparently, Porsche calls them super sports cars. This is what they call a hypercar. Now look at these headlights. How cool is this? So fully redesigned here. Here, look, there's no mirror, side mirror. There's no camera here either. What is cool, and this is the first time I've ever seen this, is they've got the camera back here on the back of the door. So this is for aerodynamics, and actually the placement gives you really good views of the car from both sides. Around here, look at this. When do you ever get an extra windscreen up the top? This is Daytona inspired. These wheels are cool too, guys. Look at this. So they're actually different on the back to the front. They're a different design completely. When you close off the back wheel like this, it's more aerodynamic for the car. The first thing you notice is the steering wheel. Look at this. So it's quite compact. You've got the Porsche logo in the middle, and I've been told that's made out of brushed precious metals. Look at this light that runs the length of the seat.